It's a dedicated way to smooth over residents' bumpy issues.
Now you can kind of see the glitter part, and then they just stamp it down and we're good to go.
A few months ago, the city of Davis put together this team. Their job? When a citizen reports a pothole, they fix it, and more than likely, all the potholes nearby. A more efficient way of tackling the problem, says Public Works Director Stan Grichko.
The proactive part is really what's different about this, in that we're doing the whole segment versus just, hopping around town and doing that and then leaving.
Tuesday, the crew worked on K Street near downtown. This polymer filling won't last forever, but with holes no longer in the asphalt, the road itself will last longer. Before the program began back in December, the city of Davis says it would get about 5 to 10 requests a week to fill in potholes. But now, since word has been spreading about all this, they receive 55 requests a week. Residents like Bonnie Minton appreciate what's being done.
It's actually such common sense, and it's welcome.
So it's a very visible aspect of their life. So it's very satisfying for us and the team to be able to, in some way, address that.
In Davis, Eric Rucker, Fox 40 News.